This will be a speed test between the Google Pixel 3 XL versus the iPhone XS Max. Now the Pixel 3 has the Snapdragon 845 and 4 gigs of RAM with Android 9 Pie. iPhone XS Max has the A12 Bionic chip, and this one has the iOS 12.0.1. Turn on both at the same time, see which one has a faster boot up. Let's go. And give the boot up win to the Pixel 3 XL. And we are in! Nothing open in the background on both, as you can see. So let's get started by tapping the messages. Tie. Camera on both. Ooh, very close. You guys are the judges. Clock. iPhone on that one. Start the stopwatch and leave that running in the background. Chrome and Safari, let's go. Search for GSM Arena on both. Go. Looking at the progress bar. Give this to the Pixel 3. Scroll through this and go to the desktop version. And give this to the Pixel 3 again. Pinch to zoom, nice and butter on the iPhone, and do the same thing to the Pixel. Nice and smooth also. Leave it on that page. Calculator on both. Very close. You guys are the judges. Play Store and App Store. Give this to the Pixel. Search for Lyft on both. Leave it on this page. Amazon app. Ooh, very close again. Click on this deal of the day. Leave it on this page. eBay. Click on the jacket right here. Leave it on that page. NFL app. Ooh, very close. Maybe the iPhone slightly ahead. Baseball, let's go. And give this to the iPhone. Super Mario Run. Loading on the Pixel. And give this to the Pixel 3. Tap to begin. iPhone slightly faster actually running the game. And leave this in the background. Temple Run 2. Temple Run 2 Spirit's Cove. Loading on the iPhone. Looks like the iPhone is ahead here. We'll confirm that in a second. And give this to the iPhone. Tap to play. And we'll leave that in the background. Asphalt 9. And ooh, give this to the Pixel 3. Waiting for the iPhone. Okay, iPhone's lagging a tiny bit here. Tap the play button and leave that in the background. PUBG. iPhone a little bit ahead here. And give this to the iPhone. Just gonna wait for the Pixel. Grand Theft Auto. Let's go. Looking at the progress bar, Pixel 3 is ahead. And give this one to the Pixel. So let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background, so you can see. Start with PUBG. Still in RAM on both. Asphalt 9. Good to go on both. Temple Run 2. Pause in order to resume on the iPhone XS, and it's a reload here on the Pixel. Mario Run. Ready to go on the right. Pixel is reloading this game. Baseball app. And another reload or refresh here on the Pixel. iPhone kept it right there. NFL app. And the Pixel is reloading this. eBay. A little bit faster on the right. Amazon app. A little bit faster on the iPhone. Play Store and App Store. Same place. Calculator. Same place, a little bit faster on the right. The browsing. A little bit faster on the iPhone. Clock on both phones. Still running the stopwatch. The camera. You guys are the judges. And the Messages app. Boom. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this matchup. Are you hashtag Team Pixel rocking the Pixel 3 or the Pixel 3 XL, Pixel 2 or the first generation Pixel? This phone rocking stock Google software with timely security updates. An excellent camera. This phone does have a really big notch, but as you can see here, I have it hidden via Nacho Notch. Or are you an Apple iSheet rocking the iPhone XS Max, the iPhone X, or an older iPhone 8 or iPhone 7? Are you excited for the upcoming iPhone XR? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.